Hello everyone. Do you want to create mega menu or customize your mega menu on Shopify? Here's the solution on Dgtal Grow. So let's get started. Go to the Shopify backend and go to the content and click on the menu. Then create menu. Yes, you can create also menu or select the mega menu. So I will click here, and yes, if you want to add or edit, you can click on the pencil icon, or otherwise you can add. So I will add here shop all, and I will catch it at random pages like privacy policy. You must be set up this page uh, according to your name. Yes, so click save. You can drag and drop it and go to your website and click refresh. Boom, it's added. So click here and we will see we got the privacy policy menu. Privacy policy page is here. Yes, and it's working. If you want to know more, subscribe to Dgtal Grow and keep connected.